안녕하세요. Welcome again, everyone. So for today, we will break down the sentence, she will go to the restaurant into bite-sized Korean. But to make this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form. So in Korean, the grammar pattern will be she plus the topic marker particle plus restaurant plus the place marker particle, and finally, the simple future tense form of the verb will go. So in Korean, the sentence is 그녀는 식당에 갈 거예요. 그녀는 식당에 갈 거예요. Alright, so let us now break down our sentence. So the first one, we have here our topic noun she, or in Korean, it is pronounced as 그녀, 그녀. And the next one, we have here our topic noun she plus the topic marker particle 는. So if we put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 그녀는, 그녀는. Alright, so for the next one, we have here our place noun, restaurant, or in Korean, it is 식당, 식당. And next, we have here our place noun, restaurant, plus our place marker particle e. So if we put them together, it is in Korean as 식당에, 식당에. And finally, we have here the future simple tense form of the verb will go, which in Korean is 갈 거예요, 갈 거예요. So let's put it all together, the sentence in Korean. So it is 그녀는 식당에 갈 거예요. 그녀는 식당에 갈 거예요. And now, it's your turn. And once again, thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you again next time. 화이팅!